This video will provide the step-by-step process required to properly repair and recoat small areas that have been previously coated with Epic high-performance floor finish. Repairs may be required for footprints, scratches, misses, and/or roller marks and other defects in the Epic floor finish. Refer to the Epic training manual for supplies needed. Dampen a chamois or microfiber mop pad and clean the area to be repaired. Carefully align and apply tape to seams around the area to be repaired. Affix 100 grit sandpaper or screen to a handheld palm sander. A screen with water is suggested when the creation of dust cannot be tolerated. For deeply textured floors, cut a maroon pad to match the size of the palm sander. Sand the area to both dull the finish and smooth out the repair area. Remove and discard tape. Dampen a chamois or microfiber mop pad and clean the area to be repaired. Inspect the floor to ensure that the entire surface has been adequately abraded and that no dirt remains and scratch marks. The existing Epic should be smooth and dull with very little or no shine remaining. Improperly abraded or contaminated floors may cause adhesion problems. Carefully align and apply tape precisely on the edge of the repair area to be recoated. You are now ready to reapply Epic high-performance floor finish. Lay down protective walk-off matting. Refer to Epic partial mixing instructions and mix appropriate amount of Epic. Mix in Ultra Grip or UDT aggregate if it was used with the original application. For the rolling method, pour Epic into small rolling pan. Saturate the 3/8" nap woven edge roller with Epic. Apply Epic with the roller. Make sure to roll partially onto the tape. For the T-bar back roll method, pour a small amount of Epic on the floor. Spread Epic with a 6" trim pad or T-bar. Make sure to coat partially onto the tape. Remove and discard tape. Remove and discard roller. Protect area with wet floor signs and caution tape. Use fans on a low setting or a dehumidifier in humid environments that have little or no airflow.